Want to improve your spelling? Here is my second spelling tip. And this one, by the way, was a game changer for me when I trained to be a specialist dyslexia teacher, because understanding this literally improved my spelling overnight. Not even overnight, instantly. You gotta know what the vowels are, people. But not only that, you have to know the long sound and the short sound. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. That is their name. And the sounds they make are A, E, I, O. Feels fairly straightforward, right? But I'm telling you, if you go back and you look at your written work and you were to unpick where you make spelling errors, I bet you most of them are around vowel sounds and are not knowing which ones to collect or select, even not collect. And that's because sometimes two vowels join together to make what's called a digraph. So like in the word boat, you've got B-O-A-T, but you don't hear the A. Are you ready for this next tip? The first vowel does the talking, the second one does the walking. Basically what that means is you say the first vowel, the second one is silent. The other thing we need to be aware of is the letter Y. Why do we need to be aware of the letter Y? Because it's like half a vowel. It quite often makes a vowel sound. For example, at the end of the word Molly, it makes the E sound. At the end of the word fly, it makes the I sound. And yeah, I know what you're going to say to me. How do I know when to use each one? And that's going to come a bit later on. But believe me when I say just being aware of these pesky letters, having a bit of awareness, learning a few rules, honestly, it will up your game. Up your spelling game, that is. It will also allow you to be a little bit kinder to yourself, because these vowels sound and feel pretty similar to make. And how are we supposed to know whether they're silent or long or short or whatever? There are 1,000,001 things I could teach you about vowels and vowel sounds. And I have been doing this with some of my one-to-one students in my mentoring programs. But I've given you a start point. Do let me know how you get on.